think your short should be viral by now? This app might explain why it's not and how to fix it. If you're posting content and want to grow fast, hit subscribe for smart tools like this every week. Welcome to the tool every creator didn't know they needed until now. This is a short or YouTube short predictor. A smart web app is a small app that predicts if your shorts have the potential to go viral. Just paste your YouTube shorts link here, and the app will automatically scrape your video title, description, hashtags, predict how well your video shorts might perform using AI, suggest a better title, description, and trending hashtag, and even recommend free AI tools you can use to boost your next upload while it's rotating and randomly for the fresh ideas every time that you put your video YouTube links. It built without any AI or any API, so you don't need an API tools or API key to make this work. Okay, just Python, Flask, Selenium, and clean logic. Okay, here's the code that I created. It's consists of Flask, text blob, Selenium driver, right? Beautiful soup, regex, time, and random. Okay. Now here's the some of the code that I coded here. I'm not going to show you some of it down below, but if you need it, just say so. Okay. Now and it gives you a simple percentage score how likely your short is going to get more views. This is perfect for creator who wants data, not just guesses, right? It's it's a it's a handy tool and it's free. You don't have to pay for subscription just to get the to check if your short is doing good or it will going to be good in the future. Try it and let your next short hit the explore page. Every audience right now it's looking for a short video. So if you have this kind of application, your video will definitely go viral probably in the future. Okay, and yeah, I'll show you how it works. I have here a few link here of YouTube Shorts. Okay, it has less than 100 views, right? Or 400 views, 200 views, or less than that. Let me check if this is okay. No, if we can put it here. Just give me 1 second. Well, okay, here's the app. Hold on. I'm not able to open up the browser, but we will get the browser in here. We're going to put it here. Okay. Right. Let me go with Firefox. And I'll just show you the video on screen. Okay. Hold on. Let's see this. Okay. But this is very handy and Okay, I have a video here. Alright, and yeah, this is less than, or yeah, it has 13 likes and 5 comments. So I'll show that here right now, and I get this one on top, and I get this shorts in here. This one has 5 or 13 likes, 5 comments, and from what I saw, it's only less than 400 views. So we are going to open the app. Hold on. I think this only also the same. Okay, this video is not available, so we're going to look for another. This one is not available also. Okay. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this app. Yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to close the app, and I'm going to do a Control C to cancel or to stop the application. Okay, it's stopped right now, and I'm just going to clear the screen. Okay, and then open the app again. Okay, so right now we have to open up the app on this address. It's 127.0.0.1:5000 port 5000, and copy that and go to this, and then paste the app again, or this one. We're going to use this. Okay, here's the app. As you can see, it's clean. There's no information in here down below. So we're going to get this link, copy it, paste, then we're going to check the video again. New tab. Okay. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to check their keywords. What keywords did they use? YouTube tips. Okay. And right, so now that's YouTube tips. I'm going to analyze the short now, so this might take a few minutes. Okay, as you can see here, it has a prediction that it will go by 6%. That's too low. And the last YouTube short had almost 90% viewer retention, but reached only 450 views so far. So here's the suggestion, the AI suggestion to put this on his title, and the description should be like this one, and then the hashtag should be like this. Okay, and then here are the shorts or the AI tools that should be should be used by the content creator to make to make his video go viral. Okay, so if you have any question, just post a comment and then or write a comment. And if you like the video, hit the like button, and please do subscribe on this on my channel so you can get the the videos or the tools or the code that you need for different kind of application or different kind of tasks, right, in the internet. All right. See you on the next video. Thank you very much.